Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, something very old. Wartburg, I think it's 353 is the model, from the 80s. I need to remove the door handle. Yeah, so in order to remove the door handle, let me have a look if I have the knob here on this side. No, it's missing. There is a pin, like a retaining pin. You push in the washer and the retaining pin drops down. And door cards are pulled out. You can see there is a little screw right here. I can't see any other retainers on this side. This one just pulls out and there is no other thing. This one we don't need to really do anything with it. Okay, let me take that screw out. I remove the screw and now I'll simply hold it with one hand so I can. I'm sorry for the turning, but there you go. Now you need to just push it out. Or well, I'll have to leave it to one side. There we go. There is a small little clips on the inside, which if you manage to push this way, it's a lot easier to remove. So this is for removing the door card. Now to get to the let's have a look. This was the original thing. Let's see what is on the inside. Maybe that's why you're watching the video. I got the mechanism here, and in order to get to the handle, you can see there is two little screws. I think they are 8 millimeters or something like this. Yeah, 8 millimeters. I like Wartburgs, everything comes apart easy. And one more. If you can get, before when it was built, there was no such ratchets. So as you can see, there is two openings here. You can get a extension and just do it through there. We don't have a long extension, so I'm using just a small ratchet. Good. Now this is it. It's completely out. This is what is the door handle. Rubbers are good. 2 seals. That's it. Let's have a look at this mechanism on the back as well, maybe. Now remove on this side as well. I hope the video has been helpful to you. Leave me a comment. Good luck with your repairs, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.